Story time! Jay and Sniffer, The Bike Race. Written by Liz Miles. In this story, you can meet Jay, Sniffer, Mr. Slime, and the teacher. There was a big hole in the school roof. It will cost a lot to fix the roof, said the teacher. We will have to shut the school. Let's have a bike race, said Jay. People will pay a lot to see the race. I will stop the bike race, said Mr. Slime. The school will have to shut. Then I can put a hotel there. People will pay a lot to stay in it. It was the day of the race, but the bikes were not there. The bikes have gone, said the teacher. Then Sniffer saw some tracks. Quick, let's follow them, said Jay. Jay rode his bike fast. Sniffer sat at the back. The tracks led to a rubbish tip. Jay saw all the bikes in a heap. Mr. Slime had them. Ha ha. Jay sent a text to the teacher. Mr. Slime has the bikes. They are at the tip. Hurry. While Jay got the bikes, Sniffer got Mr. Slime. We have got our bikes back. You can't stop the race now, Mr. Slime, Jay said. Back at school, the race was on. 3, 2, 1, go! This is Momzmoments. Keep supporting. We'll meet you in another video. Stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.